How to earn points in arts.
Hi friends, it's me, Mrs. Cassins, and I'm here to tell you about all of the cool things that you guys get to earn for coming in quietly, for using your level 2 voice while we're making artwork, and for cleaning up quietly. So if you earn 5 points, that means in one class you can earn up to 3. So you earn 1, 2, 3. So if you do all 3 of those things, then you get 3 points for that class. Got it? All right. If you get to 5 points, then you get to do pencil rock band.
I'll set the timer for 1 minute and you will have 1 minute at your desk to rock your socks off.
If you earn 10 points, you get to take off your shoes in art class. Yes, you heard me right. You get to take off your shoes. But there are some rules. We have to keep our shoes near us, and we have to be really safe in the classroom. Make us slip, then we need to make sure that we're walking very carefully. If you earn 15 points, you get to choose your own seat. Oh my God, Sarah, we get to sit together. You're my best friend. If you get 20 points, you get a popcorn party. Woo woo. Okay, so maybe you have an allergy. That's totally fine. We'll work it out. See you later.